Welcome back, class. Here we are looking at the gorgeous Northern Lights. Some of you have seen the Northern Lights before, and some of you haven't. These are an example of a brilliant, brilliant, brilliant show, and they can look very different depending on where you are in the world. But let's take a look at what they look like. I'm going to actually get it started this way instead, while they're in motion, because Northern Lights do move. So the northern lights are rising over here in the sky and changing. And this is time lapse, so it's happening this is in a very fast motion. Actually, they're usually a lot calmer and slower moving. Be observant of the colors and of the night sky with the stars. Sometimes you'll see a flashing in the buildings, and that's lights kind of coming in and out, like a car driving by or something. Again, remember, they do move a much slower than this, but you get the idea of what their movement looks like and how soft it is. Even though there's a bottom here, how soft that looks. Awesome. Incredible music and very dramatic show of lights for sure. So, taking a look now at what we're seeing over here, and the Northern Lights now are no longer moving, and that's how we're going to be making ours today. So take a look at the colors that you see in here and how they kind of snake across the sky. I'd like to ask you, why do you think that the Northern Lights happen? Because when I was your age, I thought it was because of the moon or the stars on the snow, and on the ice caps up north, and the North Poles, and that's not what it is. Actually, what ends up happening are the sun has eruptions on the surface, and the solar winds, because we do have winds in outer space, they go ahead and they grab some of the particles that are charged from the sun, and the high winds will bring them towards the Earth's atmosphere. Once those particles mix with the gases, you get this awesome display of lights that we see as the Northern Lights. So what you're going to be doing today is creating some nice soft organic lines, so not jagged lines, but nice soft lines or kind of snakes across your paper to create a sense of movement. Then you're going to smear your chalk going up, up, up like this onto up. So it creates that feeling, because Northern Lights always go up off of these organic lines. So that's what we're going to be looking for. Take a look at the colors that you're seeing here, friends. The Northern Lights comes in all different kinds of colors, but green is definitely the most common one that you'll see. Sometimes you'll see some amazing reds or even some purples there. Notice that the reds and the greens aren't mixing together. If they did, it would make a visual color of brown. So there's actually kind of like a space in between where the reds and greens flow together. So beware of that as you make yours. And I wanted to show you an artist because usually I do feature an artist when we're looking at artwork. So our local artist, fairly local artist, Jim Brandenburg, takes photographs of nature, and he'll often focus on the northern lights because he lives in northern Minnesota like we do. You can take a look at some of his views. This is the Boundary Waters, most likely. Here's up the North Shore. And you can see what it looks like for our eyes around our area where we live. Enjoy creating this awesome artwork. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.